Imagine moving equipment and you or your dad or whoever is pulling your grain head meets oncoming traffic and has to move closer to the side of the road just before a telephone pole or mailbox. Instead of having to remove your crop dividers, wouldn't it be nice if your dad could just fold them out of the way? That is exactly what you do when you have the patented Hinge installed. Just pull the pin and fold it in. It's that easy. First, adjust the stabilizer bar using the pull pin and specialized 16mm bolt that come with your kit. Then, pull the one-handed pin from the hinge. Now, fold in your crop divider. Return the pin to the hinge for security while in transport, and repeat on the other side. The hinge has two easy-to-install options, either with two included bolts or by welding. Look at that! We just narrowed our width by 3 feet! Now it's easy to transport your grain head. So, when you're ready to move fields, simply lower your grain head to a comfortable working height, adjust your stabilizer bar, pull the pin and fold it in. Repeat on the opposite side, and load the head on your trailer. Now you're confident you can safely move your head to the next field, and the hinge is what made it possible. Purchase the hinge directly from our website at www.cropdividerhinge.com or from the John Deere dealer nearest you.